This recording will be Dake Leon 3, and it will go in the Bible folder. Now, as I was telling you last time, this Mr. Leon Bible wrote this. It has all these sources that Dake used other than his own scripture and his interpretation of it and so forth. So, what I have done this time with the Dake Bible, instead of just reading where these occur, I've actually marked in the Dake Bible where they occur and the names that I used for it, because otherwise I wouldn't know where these things came from. So, for example, if I find something in here that has a marking from one of these, then I will mark it actually in the Bible. Now you can see right here, it's marked. See right under there? That's all marked with an arrow, with a line, because that's one of the things that comes from Mr. Leon Bible's work. And by the way, indeed, we'll also notice that Bullinger, who was very influential in many Bible translations, was one of the main sources that Finis Dake used as one to understand the Aramaic, Hebrew, and Greek words, their translation, and what they actually meant. So now I'm going to take one example. There are so many examples in here, we'll get to them eventually, but I also want to tell you something else I did with the Dake Bible. There is a section in here called traditions. Now, that is very interesting because what that means is there are certain traditions in the biblical world that say something happened to mean something because that's a traditional way of thinking of it. So next time we do this, I'm going to do that section traditions and read you some of them to show what they mean.